hungry. Gabby, I'm hungry. Wait, are you hungry? Hold on a second. You're hungry too? Hold on. Hold on a sec. Hold on, I'm confused. Do you want dinner? You're hungry. If you're hungry, say raw. Well, if you're hungry, say raw. Say raw if you're hungry. Oh, okay. Goodness gracious, Gabby, all you had to do is say it. All you had to do is say it, and then Mama would have got it for you, okay? So you want some of this. So you're ready for dinner. Well, then sit down. Okay, you say 1, 2, 3, and 4. Maybe a few little extras. Okay, now Gabby, here's your food. You gotta leave it, okay? You gotta leave it. Okay. Yes, go ahead. I said okay. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.